Chapter 3. Tabular Presentation in Word 2016. Learning Objective. Inserting table in Word 2016. Entering text in a table. Convert text to table. Editing a table. Text alignment. Now we will learn how to insert tables in Word 2016. Inserting table in Word 2016. There are several ways to insert a table in Microsoft Word. They use the graphic grid, insert table and draw table method. Using the Insert tab. Let us learn to use Insert tab for inserting a table. 1. Click the Insert tab. 2. Select Table option from the Tables group. A table grid appears. 3. Drag the mouse button to highlight the desired number of rows and columns and then click the mouse. Or 1. Click on Insert Table button to open the Insert Table dialog box. 2. Specify the number of rows and columns in this dialog box and then click OK. The desired table is inserted in the document. Quick Tables. Quick tables are tables that are stored in galleries as building blocks. You can access and reuse quick tables at any time. If you frequently use a table with specific formatting, you can save a copy of the table in the Quick Tables gallery so that you don't need to recreate the tables each time that you want to use it. Let us learn to insert table using Quick Tables feature. 1. Click the position where you want to insert a table and then click the Insert tab. 2. Select Table in Tables group and click Quick Tables. 3. Select a template for your tables from the list. A table based on the selected template is inserted. Data of the template table can now be replaced with your own data. Draw table. Let us learn to draw a table according to our needs. 1. Click the Table button in the Insert tab. 2. Select Draw Table from the drop-down menu. 3. Now, click and draw a rectangle at a blank area in the document as you do in MS Paint. 4. Draw horizontal and vertical lines at the points where you want to create rows and columns. Entering text in a table. No matter which of these methods you use to draw your blank table, you enter text in the same way. Just click in a cell and type. Use the Tab key to move to the next cell or the arrow keys to move up and down or sideways within the table. Convert text to table. Have you entered some text in columns separated by tabs and you want to convert it to a table? Word provides a useful feature that allows you to quickly convert text to a table and a table to text. You can convert text separated by a specific character, such as a tab, into a table. Let us learn to use Convert Text to Table features. 1. Select the text. 2. Click the Insert tab. 3. Click the Table option and select Convert Text to Table in the drop-down menu. Convert Text to Table dialog box appears. 4. Select Number of rows and columns. 5. Click OK to close the dialog box. The text will be converted into a table. Editing a table. It's easy to modify the look and feel of any table after adding it to a document. Word includes different options for customizing a table, including adding rows or columns and changing the table style. Inserting cells, rows or columns. Let us learn to insert cells, rows or columns. 1. Click the cell, row or column where a new cell, row or column is to be inserted. 2. Right-click and select Insert from the context menu. 3. Select the option you want. According to your selection, the column or row will be inserted. You can also click the Layout tab. Select Insert above, Insert below, insert left or insert right option from the rows and columns group. Deleting cells, rows or columns. Let us learn to delete cells, rows or columns from a table. 1. Select the cells, rows or columns you wish to delete. 2. Right-click and select Delete Cells option from the sub-menu to open Delete Cells dialog box. 3. Select the required option and click OK. The selected cell, row or column is deleted. You can also use Layout tab to delete the cells, rows or columns. 1. Select the cells, rows or columns and click the Layout tab. 2. Click Delete option in the Rows and Columns group and select the option you wish to from the drop-down menu. If cells, rows or columns are deleted from somewhere in between the table, then the blank space is filled with the next cells, rows or columns. For example, if we delete a cell, then the cells to its right or below occupy its place as we select the option of Shift Cells left or Shift Cells up. If a row is deleted, then the row below it takes its place. Merging cells. Word allows merging two or more cells to create one large cell. Cells can be merged either row-wise or column-wise, but cells cannot be merged diagonally. This is frequently used to merge columns of the top row to create a title for the table. Let us learn to merge cells of a table. 1. Select the cells to be merged. 2. Click the Merge Cells option in the Merge Group of Layout tab. The cells will be merged and displayed as a single cell. Splitting cells. Sometime you will need to split a table cell into two or more subcells. Word allows splitting a cell into multiple cells. Let us learn to split cells. 1. Select the cell to split. 2. In the Merge Group of Layout tab, click the Split Cells option. The Split Cells dialog box appears. 3. Specify the number of columns and rows and then click OK. The cells get splitted. Formatting table. After you create a table, Word 2016 offers you many ways to format that table. If you decide to use table styles, you can format your table all at once and even see a preview of what your table will look formatted in a particular style before you actually apply the style. Changing the row height or column width. Let us learn to change the row height or column width of the table. 1. After selecting the row or column to be modified, click the Layout tab. 2. Click the row height scroll box or the column width scroll box in the cell size group to change the row height or column width. Select the Auto Fit option to automatically resize the columns according to the contents. Selecting a table style. You can modify the styles in the Table Styles list by using the checkboxes in the Table Style Options button group. These checkboxes let you decide which elements of the table styles to apply or remove. For example, to apply a table row to your table, check that option in the Table Style Options button group. Let us learn to format the table style. 1. Select the table or click anywhere inside the table. 2. Click the Design tab under Table Tools. 3. You can select any of the styles from the Table Styles group. 4. Click the More button to open a gallery of different available styles. As soon as you point the mouse pointer over the gallery of styles, the Word 2016 gives you a preview of the tables automatically. 5. Click on the desired style to format your table. Applying borders and shading. Borders and shading is always used to decorate a text, which makes a plain article seems highlighted and well organized. Let us learn to apply borders and shading in the table. 1. Select the cells or the table. 2. Click the Design tab under Table Tools. 3. Select one of the predefined border sets from the Borders drop-down menu in the Borders group. Or, click Borders and Shading to open the Border and Shading dialog box. 4. Open the Borders tab and then choose the following options. Setting option to select a border. Style drop-down menu to choose a line style. Color drop-down list to set desired line color. Width drop-down list to set line width. 5. Open the Shading tab and select the desired color shading. No color is to be selected to remove the shading. 6. Click OK when finished. The table with border and shading will appear on the screen. Text alignment. Aligning text in column and rows in Word 2016 is a matter of choosing how you want the text to line up vertically and how you want it to line up horizontally. The following figure shows where the Align button are on the Table Tools Layout tab and how these options align text in a table. Align top left. Align top center. Align top right. Align center left. Align center. Align center right. Align bottom left. Align bottom center. Align bottom right. Let us learn to set the text alignments. 1. Select the cell or cells whose alignment is to be changed. 2. In the Alignment group of the Layout tab, select the alignment you want. Default alignment as we enter text in a cell is top left. Direction of the text written in a cell can be changed by clicking repeatedly on the Text Direction button in Alignment group of the Layout tab. Concise. A table are often used to organize and present information. You can convert text separated by a specific character, such as a tab, into a table. If a row is deleted, then the row below it takes its place. After you create a table, Word 2016 offers you many ways to format the table.